Today, you're going to learn 5 different ways to use Canva for your YouTube channel. Let's go straight into Canva and I'll show you what to do. We're going to start with probably the number one reason why people use Canva for YouTube. You can get thumbnail document 2 ways. You can search YouTube thumbnail. This one is showing me all of my designs, but we're going to click on Canva templates and it will show me Canva templates as well. My personal preference, if I'm not using a template, is to go in through social media, YouTube thumbnail. It opened up a blank, brand new thumbnail. How you download it so that there's not a problem within YouTube. We're going to click share, download. Because this document type doesn't have any animations, it's automatically suggesting PNG. If it doesn't, then you're going to click the little down arrow. That's a word I struggle to say. Choose PNG. You will download this. Let's real quickly show you how to upload it just in case you don't know. On your YouTube Studio, you're going to click Content. You're going to click on the video that you want to add the thumbnail to. Let's just pretend like it's this one. We're going to click the little details pencil icon. Scroll down, and right here, there's an upload file. So we're going to click that. We're going to add the design to it. And by the way, you would just click save. If for some reason it tells you that it's too big, what you're going to do is just switch it from PNG to JPEG and then download it that way. You want to make sure that any words that are on your thumbnail are easy to read. And so what you'll want to do is choose a font that is easily readable. I've done videos on my favorite YouTube fonts in the past, and I'm going to leave one of those linked in the description below. The next project you're probably going to want to create for your YouTube channel is a YouTube banner. Some people call this channel art. How do you find the right size within Canva, and why does it look so funny? You can search Canva templates. So we just click Canva templates, YouTube banner. Make sure that it's both words, YouTube banner, not just banner. And you're going to see right here, YouTube banner. So we're going to just click that. It's going to show us a bunch of different templates, but we're just going to create a blank one because I just want to show you a couple things. Even though YouTube banners needs to be the size, and this is a version of 16:9, it only shows a little bitty part on the mobile device. Where you need to design your most important elements is in this little safe zone. Make sure that the most important bits that you want people to see are in that little part. I had a great conversation with Doug, and we talked about YouTube banners at length. I've done tutorials on sizing in the past. I'm going to put that playlist in the description box below. So we're going to click share, download. PNG is preferred, but if you go to upload it and it says it's too big, then you can downgrade it to JPEG. But we're just going to do PNG here. We're going to download it, and you're going to notice how this particular banner, all of my stuff is focused in the middle, and really the most important thing to put on your YouTube banner is the value proposition, or what someone's going to get from watching your channel. On YouTube Studio, where you're going to go is to the customization tab and then slide over to branding. This is where you can add your profile picture or your banner image or even your video watermark. You just can put it right there. What's viewable on all devices is that little tiny bit. We're going to click done. Normally you would click publish, but I'm not going to. Don't put the subscribe button right there in the banner. Don't put your social media links right there in the banner because your audience isn't going to be able to click them right there within your banner anyway. Next up, we're going to talk about the video document sizes. That's right, you can edit videos right within Canva. There's two particular sizes that you need to know about. The first is the regular video size. So we're going to click video so that you can see all of the video sizes that Canva offers, but I'm going to show you the two main ones you're going to use. The first is video. And when we open this one up, you're going to notice that it looks like a regular long form video. The other one that you need to know about is the one called mobile video. We're going to open that and it looks like this. This is what you would use for YouTube Shorts. You don't just have to edit your full video within Canva because sometimes your full video is just going to be too much for Canva to handle. However, what I love to do is create my in-between scenes or sometimes overlays. And I'm going to show you one cool trick, and that's to animate something. If I press play, you're going to see what it does. You click this and then you click animate. When you click animate, there are often, it's either going to be text animations or element animations. Sometimes it might say photo animations, also page animations. So that if there's multiple things on the page, it will do a combination of different animations. But for this one, there's just one thing on the page. I would recommend trying each different animation to see which one speaks to you. One that I love is Succession. I just love the way it looks. And the good thing about these animations is they are all free. We're going to do Succession on enter. The part that is a pro feature is changing the speed and intensity of it. So if I wanted it to be a little slower and be a little more intense, let me see how I set this one up. Yep, I slowed it down a little bit. A little tip for you is to title things so that everything's not listed untitled. So let's just go with overlay for August 12th video. We're going to click share, download, and for this one, you want it to be an MP4. If you have Pro and everything is in 4K that you're editing, then you can go ahead and bump the quality up to 4K and you just click download. The downloading of videos sometimes can take a while. Sometimes it's quicker and you think that was quicker than I thought it was going to be. What else can you do for your YouTube channel? Let's click on social media. And what you're going to choose is this one called Instagram Post Square, because there's several things on YouTube that require a square post. Let's go to my YouTube channel and I'm going to show you. One of them is your YouTube profile picture. The other thing is your community tab. When you put an image, the best format is for it to be square. Everyone can see it without having to click to see more information. Video podcast playlists require a square thumbnail. That's why the square post is important. What do you need to know about downloading it? This is an image, so you're going to download it as a PNG or JPEG. Is to look up templates. This really, you can do it with all of them, but I found it really helpful with Instagram posts specifically, or the square format. Let's say that there's some big announcement, like you want people to join your email list so that you can blast out this announcement, but the announcement isn't quite ready. So let's look up the word waitlist. You're going to see right off the bat where I modeled mine from. Coming soon. Join the waitlist now. Look, join today. There's my image. Use the link above. Use templates to your advantage. If you want to share an image, all you're going to do is type in information that you want and click image, select the image, and then click post or click the down arrow. I told you I can't say that word, and schedule it. When I start talking about the next two things, they really are thinking outside the box, but they are also important. Create a new whiteboard. And I'm going to be honest, I don't use whiteboards as much as I should, but I really love the idea of creating a calendar whiteboard. So let's search for work calendar. Ooh, I kind of like this one. So we're going to click that. And you're going to notice that it brings up a lot of stuff, including Canva tips for whiteboards. We're actually going to get rid of all of this. Go down here to the bottom and we're going to make it bigger. You can change this, each number, to be what it actually is in the month. So maybe you would research and plan on Monday. Maybe you would film on Tuesday, edit on Wednesday, or maybe you would edit both days. You film and edit just like this. Maybe you work on things that involve publishing. You won't publish it, but you're going to work on thumbnails and or schedule to publish. Friday's your learning day. Maybe you actually have an appointment on the 4th, but you still have time to do the other thing. And I absolutely love this. So here we are on Canva's homepage. You're going to click on Doc. At the very end, I'm going to talk with you about how you can use it to write YouTube hooks. I love to use Docs for planning my videos. Master the hand cover transition for your next video. Introduction, understanding, filming techniques. I've got my title ideas. I've got before and after ideas for it. I love to use Canva Docs to plan my week out. Important times that can't be changed. That particular week, I went to get my glasses at 9:45. That was a non-negotiable. At Wednesday, I had a Canvassador meeting. I had all of my focuses written down: Instagram, Canva, project, newsletter, cleaning, and I'm able to click them off by what we're doing. The things that you need to know about documents are headers. And so if you want something larger than it is, all you need to do is click H2 or H1 and it will change the heading for you. Let me show you how to do the little check boxes. Click up here to list and click checklist. So what I want to do is film for Instagram. I use a checklist. I'll also use the page breaks, which by the way, you can get by going plus. Type in the word page break and it will change the page for you. You can use Canva Docs to create your hooks for you. Watch this next. As a YouTuber, sometimes you want to use Canva. Oh, let's see. What about,